सर्वांगे नमस्कार. GSB खाणाचे व्हिडिओज आम्ही अपलोड करताय. इंग्लिशांतूय कोंकणींतूय व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Our first video of this year. So wishing you all a happy new year. So let's start on a sweet note. Godsaani Ronti. These sugar-coated diamonds was one of my favorite snacks as a child. And yes, all kids will love this. So why not make this at your home and surprise your kids with a yum treat? Follow till the end to get all the tips so that you can make it perfectly. Take 1 cup of maida, add a pinch of salt and add enough water to knead to a smooth dough. You can also use atta or a mix of both atta and maida. Add a teaspoon of ghee or oil. Knead and set aside for an hour. Now divide the dough into equal parts. Dip each ball in flour and with a rolling pin make a smooth round. Don't make it too thin or too thick. Repeat with each ball. Now spread each chapati on the board and cut into equal sized diamonds. You can put a plate over the board and turn it upside down to easily transfer the cut pieces. Heat a kadai with enough oil and gently drop the pieces into the hot oil. Fry it on medium flame till it slightly changes color and have turned crisp. Remove from the oil and let excess oil drain. Do likewise with the rest of the dough. After frying the entire lot, keep aside for 2 to 3 hours to let cool completely. Now for the sugar syrup. Add nearly 1 cup of sugar in a pan or kadai. Add 1/4 cup of water. Also keep a small bowl of cold water for testing the 2-thread stage. Now heat on high flame. The sugar will melt. Keep stirring until it froths up. Then reduce flame to low. Now continue cooking until we get to the 2-string stage. Keep checking like this with a ladle to see if it is thickening. When you touch a drop of the syrup with your forefinger and then touch your thumb and forefinger together and pull apart gently, it should form an unbroken string like this. Now it has reached the one string stage. When you do the same test again, you should get two unbroken strings. An easier method would be to put a drop of the syrup in the bowl and it should form a soft ball immediately. At this stage, add the fries. Mix gently and quickly so that all are well coated with the sugar syrup. Continue doing until you see that all of the syrup has been used up. Just in case if you miss the second stage and the syrup has become thicker, just sprinkle a few drops of water and continue. You can see that the rontis are well coated now. When it has cooled a bit, separate any joint pieces and store in an airtight container. Now to enjoy with your dear ones. Do try this and keep your kids happy.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.